Today, we're diving into how to make money with Printify, the incredible print-on-demand platform. Completely for free, that's right. No upfront inventory, no costly setup a circumflex euros, just your creativity and a passion for profit. Step 1 is all about your product design. Think about what people want to buy. Are you passionate about animals? Funny quotes. Unique art? Use free design tools like Canva or Photopea to bring your ideas to life. Most importantly, focus on creating unique designs that stand out. Once your design is ready, it's time to get it onto a product with Printify. You can upload your design to a huge range of items: t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, posters, and so much more. Browse their extensive catalog and choose a product that best suits your design. Simply upload your artwork, position it, and save. Now, how do you actually sell these amazing products? Printify seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and WooCommerce. Choose the platform that's right for you for those starting with absolutely zero budget. An Etsy store is a fantastic free option to begin with. Connect your Printify account to your chosen store. With your store connected, you'll set your product prices. This is where you can add your profit margin. Printify handles the manufacturing and shipping, so you only pay them their base cost when a customer makes a purchase. Your profit is the difference between your selling price and Printify's cost. The final, crucial step is marketing, since starting for free means zero ad spend. Harness the power of organic marketing. Share your designs on social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Create engaging content. Use relevant hashtags like Printify Profit and Free Business, and interact with potential customers. Remember, consistency is key. Keep designing, keep marketing, and watch your Printify business grow. You have the power to turn your creativity into income, all without spending a single penny upfront.